Here's Shelf app review, music, books, movies, what you and your friends are you into right now. So quite popular app. It's a visual summary of your current interests. It's like Spotify Wrapped, Letterboxd, and Goodreads in one app. Magically links to the platforms you already use and love. Keep track of you and your friends' taste over time. Keep up with friends through what they're into and get their media recommendations. Share updates about your obsessions, guilty pleasures, and elite taste. Log in with platform you already use. React to friends' updates. Showcase your taste. Go back in time. Control who sees what, and then you can just open it up. And then here you see that, and then you can see it kind of the feed of people who's sharing what. But the main idea is that you just add your sources. You can add auto update, like listening, watching. Basically, you just connect your Spotify and like all these other services like Spotify, Goodreads, Apple Music, Letterboxd, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, YouTube's and others coming soon. So, and then you can enable notifications, and then it's either automatically synced or you can manually select what you wanna. So you can edit, you can archive, you can replace. So you can see top genre, top song, for example, just and then listening to. You can then just search for some artist and do it like that, and then you can select what's auto updating in here, what's yeah, like what's playing, what's reading. So that's auto update. Listening, you can auto update and then add manually watching, add manually reading, add manually playing. So you can just add all of this manually. So it's searching, it's a bit glitchy, or you can just add a link. So that's the idea. You can just pass any YouTube videos, TikToks, favorite food, concerts, sport events, like that. So just, to showcase to your friends what basically you're doing. But this is not like, you're not posting statuses here. You just adding your interests. What exactly like your, which kind of new song you uncovered, which new genre you uncovered, and things like that. And yeah, so then it kind of that's the main idea. Then you can also add the widget to your home screen and see what your friends are updating and what your friends are listening to. Then you can also add the search friends. Then you can see library, library that's separate. You can also have a separate location, and then just have it separately. And then media type also have it separately. So kind of like you're just organizing it and showcasing it for your friends. And also then you can just easily share it on your Snapchat or your Instagram, just like that. And then there is also this kind of recap thingy where it's kind of similar to what Spotify Wrapped. So that's, yeah, this app is super smart. They're just basically taking viral features from all of these apps and just combining into one. Like they having this Spotify Wrapped. You can easily share your shelf. You can easily just showcase, and just that's what it is. So that's the idea. Uh, of course, you can also add social links and promote it this way. So that's where you have it. And yeah, so that's basically the idea of the app. Hope you enjoyed.